Hello! Okay, so we just finished week 8 at General Assembly, web development. So, this week was the last week that we spent learning a major concept. We still have another week or two of learning, but it is learning Ruby, and we won't necessarily be learning new concepts, but just different ways of applying those same concepts. So it'll just be another language that we have to learn. How Ruby does things versus how JavaScript does things. This past week we learned a framework for JavaScript. It is called React. I actually found out that we are the first class out of any General Assembly class, not just in New York, but also in any of their other locations, to learn React. So that was cool to find out. And so far, it seems really good. I found a great article about the differences between React and one of the other major frameworks that people learn for JavaScript, which is called angular.js. So far it seems like React is sort of winning out. Any disadvantages it makes up in other areas, and could easily be adapted so that it won't have those problems anymore. But it fundamentally seems to be easier to use and understand than Angular. I liked it almost immediately. To be fair, I haven't worked with Angular, but just about everybody else that I've talked to who has worked with Angular, and then has come into React, or is like, React is so much better. Anyway, if you don't know what React is, it kind of, what it seems to be doing, or rather, if you don't know what frameworks are, what framework seems to do is to make it easier to manage a large application. So you can kind of, at least in React, what we've done is we've made things a little bit. I don't think modular is the right word, where you create one type of thing and it's very easy to replicate in other parts of your program. So yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of other things too, but that's sort of the basic thing that I've taken away from learning a framework. So yeah. We are going into our group projects. We've been assigned to random classmates, and we have not been given the prompt yet. So we don't know exactly what the requirements will be, but I think I have a pretty good way of guessing. So that's coming up. We're going to learn what the prompt is on Monday. Yeah, I think that's caught you up to speed. Now I'm officially 2/3 of the way through the course. I have one more month, and then I'm done and graduated. So yeah, I'll let you know how things develop. Until next time.